Darcy, I don't want to roll over your head. Oh, okay. You can stay there. What was that noise? What? Hello? Hi there, Bastion here. Obviously this is very old footage, but I think we're doing some leftovers. In the background, I have been very busy. Very busy. Very busy. Very busy working on the animatic that I released 2 videos ago, I think? 2? Yeah. Insert ceramic cat intro. And now we're going back even farther, so this is like videoception, because this is an old video with an old video in it. Did I hide our Bastion here? Don't worry, I had our Bastion there for you already. Can you read it? Easy things. Ceramic cat. This guy. Look at how cute. Can you see him? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Look at its face. It looks a little like sad, forlorn, wistful. My thought was to like use something to give it like wings or something, make it like a fairy cat, maybe make it into a unikitty. I'll take a picture of it and put it into my iPad, see what happens. I don't know. As you can see, I did not film the rest of it. This is what it looks like now, after our move. The move was not kind to him. Almost all of his little antler things fell off, except for this one. This is what he looked like when he was all done and fancy and brand new looking. The neighbors here really enjoy smoking a lot of various things. I have incense burning, I have wax melts burning, and I still have a foggy headache. Help. I got a thing that I wasn't going to get because money, but it was on sale and I had to, okay? I got Jazza's Pro Sketch Pack. I'm pretty sure it was on 50% off or something like that. Did you hear that? Every time I start recording, there's some kind of snapping sound. One of the main reasons I got it is because there is a case in here that I'm pretty sure will fit my iPad. And I've been wanting to have something that I could put my iPad and maybe a small sketchbook in to take it places to draw. Look with me. Oh my god, it smells so good. Ooh, pencil leads that go in this guy. Oh no, that go in this guy. Oh, I've never used one of these. This guy, I was excited about. Ooh, I have always hated these. Have you ever used these? Scrub sticks. Smudge sticks? I don't think that's what these are. We got a water pen, nice gray alcohol markers, fine liners, lead, squishy erase, water, the part that I'm so excited about. The case. Oh, yes. Oh, mama. Oh, I love that it has his mural on it. Now, this is such a nice feeling sketchbook. Oh my god. And this one, which I'm also very excited about, it's the mural on it. It has a really nice texture to it. I was really sad that I wasn't able to get his bag, this Pro Sketch bag, I think maybe that's what he called it. But yeah, I couldn't get that because I wanted the big one and the small one, and I could not spend $250 on a bag. But maybe someday he will come out with it again. I found something that I have been working on that I knew was a thing that I did that I forgot that I did. I have had this little cow sculpture. I think my mom got it for me forever ago when I moved into my old apartment, and it needed an upgrade. It looked shabby. I went ahead and cleaned it and repainted it. Ta-da! Look at this guy! I made a little strawberry cow to put in front of my apartment. I don't know how it'll do with the bottom being unfinished. We'll see how long it lasts, I guess. But yeah, strawberry cow. Isn't it so cute? Mother of spiders. I'm gonna feed my spiders because of moving and all that stuff. All I have for the babies is, what are these? Fruit flies? I don't remember if I talked about the spiders, but I'm pretty sure I mentioned the four-legged jumping spider that my daughter found inside of a slide at the park. And I brought her home because I thought that she would not make it because she only had four legs. Four legs on one side. So one side of her body had no legs. Unfortunately, it's been, I found her in June, and she hasn't molted, so I am assuming that she is a full-grown adult and won't molt anymore, which is sad because she will only have four legs for the rest of her life. I brought her home, and this time it came from over here. It didn't even come from the tripod or anything. What was that sound? So I brought her home. I named her Judy because Judy had a booty. And also because Judy hops from Zootopia, and she's a jumping spider. She hops. So Judy hops. Get it? Yeah, I'm funny. So yeah, I brought her home, and then suddenly she had an egg sac. Didn't know she was preggers when I brought her home. Otherwise, maybe I wouldn't have taken on such a big responsibility. But by the time the babies hatched, it was already starting to get a little chilly outside, and I didn't want to put them outside because I felt bad. So only a few of them actually survived. I don't know if that was because of her only having four legs or maybe something else was wrong. I don't know. But only a few survived, and then guess what happened after that? She laid another egg sac. So more, but still even less of the second egg sac survived. I'm not really sure why. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 babies. I think there's only 6 of the original eggs, and then the rest are the second egg sac. We're gonna feed them, and I'm gonna show them to you, and we're gonna try and look at Judy. Let's find Judy. The Judy with the booty. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Did I disturb you? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you. I didn't know you made a house underneath the thing, and I'm not sure why you did that, but okay. Let's see if she'll drink water from my hand. Hey, Judy, you thirsty? Yeah. There's Judy. She's so cute. Judy. Hi. She's like laying on her side. I have some water. I've been saving their molts so that I can steal the hats. Yeah, too many foods. I'm very excited that guy is eating because he is very, very small. Out of all of these guys, I got 4 molts. I can add them to my spider hat collection. And now that they are eating, I'm going to eat. I'm going to show you my favorite thing that I have been eating lately. I have been obsessed with it. It is all I can think about to snack on. Italian tacos. You're thinking, I've seen Italian tacos before. They have like chicken and stuff on them, right? Do Italian tacos have chicken on them? I don't like big chunks of food. Is that a neurodivergent thing? To not like big chunks of food? When I have a salad, people just like chop cherry tomatoes in half and throw them in there. I gotta dice that. Everything must be diced. Provolone cheese, salami, turkey breast, pepperoni, and of course, pepperoncini and banana peppers. Oh, these are hot banana peppers? Of course, zesty Italian dressing. So what I do is I take everything, I chop everything up in tiny little things, and then I shove it on a tortilla. Is that an Italian taco? It has Italian dressing on it, so it is to me. Here they are, the final product. And then I made Darcy a little bowl with some meat and a tiny bit of cheese in it. You want your little Italian bowl? Dog ASMR. That's it. That's the spider hats. Aren't they? This is so tiny. Look how small this is. I'll put some pictures right here. But, I think that's it for this vlog. Soon I will be able to show the things that I've been working on for people for Christmas. That's one thing right there. That's one thing right there. There is a video or two that I have started recording of just like one project. So we'll probably do a few of those with some vlogs sprinkled in here and there, and I hope that you enjoy the videos. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, like this video. I put out new videos every sometimes, and I will see you later at some point. Okay, bye.